How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on Euro versus US dollar. As you can see, after that buying opportunity we saw here, after that down close day here, we took it with a buy limit order, buying after a down close and a bullish trend. We got to our expected target here. It ran up to that swing high or that buy side liquidity pool that formed here in December 28th, 2023. And now at this point, we're high up in a premium. And I said that we could be getting the high of the month. That could be priced in after we get up here. And price can fall off from the high and close lower than the high. Not every monthly candle has to close at its very high. There are times where the monthly candle makes a high, it peaks, right? Top of the mountain, and then it falls down, and then it finishes the month a little lower than what it made for the all-time high of the month. Same thing you see on the daily chart, same thing on the weekly chart. There are times, though, where you see the close is the high, or the close is very close to the high. But I'm just trying to allow traders to be cautious of things that could happen in the market that we see on a day-to-day basis. Now, the fact that we're in a premium too, we're very overbought. Market makers had got the best buy opportunity below August's opening price, below in a discount, and pushed it all the way up here. Now we have a Larry Williams smash candle theory that's forming here. So if price gets down to this candle's low here, and I think it already has, or just did, it would trigger a sell stop, right? So price is going to come down. You're going to sell on weakness here at this candle's low. And your stop loss will be at this candle's high here. So we're going to anticipate maybe this is another top, right? It's making a swing formation. 1, 2, 3, a swing high. And it could potentially pull back down into this fair value gap here that we have. Let's change the color. Pull down into that fair value gap here. And then maybe even go back up again one more time. And then maybe make a new high for the month and then pull off just the last second and close and finish the month going into September. So we'll see how that plays out. At this point, I'm actually set on looking for any trades now on EU. I made my money for the month, compounded my account, and I'm going to move on and trade intraday with UJ Asian Session Models. And we're just going to watch this day by day. Now, if we take a look at the DXY, DXY continue to break down. We got some type of bottoming here. Same thing as inverse to EU. We got a swing low that's forming here. This is also a smash day buy signal. This candle is closing below multiple lows. Price gets back up to this high. That's where you would buy. Maybe this is a new bottom and price is going to trade back up. It is also below the opening price of the month. So it's in a discount. Ideal buy scenarios unfold there. Let's take a look at some other crosses that are directly correlated to EU. Still bullish, as you can see. GU, AU looking to make a top here. We can see maybe it's going to pull back into this fair value gap that we're in here now, and then probably trying to find a way to break this swing high that it formed, take out that buy side, and continue to run up to this old buy side up here. That's a possibility too. Or it could be a top for the month, and now we're going to fill back to maybe down close candles, reclaim these order blocks again, and see how that plays out. But we're not trying to force ideas. But if you're going to take an idea, you risk properly. You can't control the price action, but you can control how much you risk. Same thing here for NU. Looks like a top is happening here. We could be pulling back into this busy here. The yen crosses looking to gain some steam here. Pick back up again. Maybe the yen is going to fail. What I mean by fail is probably decline again in price because they're not going to intervene anytime soon again. They really boosted the yen again. Got speculators back on the yen side. So maybe the yen might weaken again in the near future. Who knows? UJ, still not a very exciting month. See, certain months are not exciting. See how this is completely different from EU, GU, NU, UCAD, USWISSy? These prices are range bound. There's reasons why you shouldn't trade the same pair over and over and over again because every month is a little different. You're going to put yourself in unrealistic conditions or unrealistic market phases because the market will accumulate for an entire month. And that could be a headache. So find a way to filter out certain pairs that you shouldn't be trading. And if you don't know about that, we discussed that many times on how we filter out certain pairs How large was the range last month? Was it very large and overextended? Whether that's to the upside or the downside. Well, then most likely next month, you're not going to get a very large dynamic month again. You're probably going to get something lesser than that. Not saying it's not possible to get two large candles, monthly candles back to back, or three large monthly candles back to back, but it's not as likely. You're going to likely get a large monthly candle. The next one's going to be probably smaller. AJ still looking to do its thing. That smash candle buy still holding strong. NJ2, there's a smash candle buy here. See, it's a down closed candle. Price comes back here, you buy here. Look to hold for higher price action. So we do have this large liquidity void. Got this last up close to this last up close. Price may want to fill in between this range here. Try to fill something in. Whether that's 50% of that or maybe 100% of that, it's going to fill in. Who knows? EJ, same thing. Smash candle buy, still playing out here. Maybe we get to this swing high. Buy side liquidity pool here. Price is probably going to get back above that swing high. What else do we have? GJ, same thing. Smash candle buy was right there. Swissy yen, same thing. You can see all these pairs are directly correlated. They're most likely doing the same thing. Some might be a little more ahead of the others, but they're all positively correlated. Let's move on to the bond yields. Moving sideways as well. Looks just like the yen crosses. 5-year, 10-year, 30-year. And we'll take a look at gold, and we'll recap at the end my final thoughts on EU. So gold making a top here, 1, 2, 3. We just made all-time highs, pulling back. It just pulled into this fair value gap here. We said that gold was going to most likely make all-time highs, and now it's pulling off. This is a smash candle sell here. Strong sell signal. If you would have sold right at that candle's low, you'd be in profit today. You see that candle closes. These are very simple signals. This candle is a natural price action signal to it. Indicator is not telling me this. The candle closes above those highs. Market looks overbought. Retail probably looks to chase to go long. Market turns around quickly on them. Makes a top. 1, 2, 3. A swing highs up here. So there's buy side up here. Maybe we don't get back to this high anytime soon, and a new leg or new trend is unfolding in front of our eyes. Let's bring it back to EU. We'll wrap this up. So I would be cautious. This is a sell signal here. So I'll mark this off. And that's it. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.